Toi whatalavatu I le toi tari mai whaasalonga le 685 morning show I le nei tai au. E no toi 3 minuta le toi na tāna le valu pena ta ora te mo sola o se te mo le tai o nei na maua le o le tātou wanoa I Talanoaga ma sui o le Samoa campus I apo o le USB le fua. Tam whaile ni whaalau I loa I le lato open day I le ngata o polu nei I a se foi o le motu tele I sala whai. O le tai au la le nei o le ua mātou whaatasi ai I a ma le sunga ya ni seta po tava lo tuta wanga vale ia ma le tahine mai tonga lo tuta matau ia nau Plumfield te lo fo mo wala va no nei le tai au fa so ma tala no ai ia le tulanga pe na ia le open day le on le Samoa campus ia po le USB le fu fa talo vatu ni seta nei ka tai au good morning
lo lava so fola songa yo eli fa talo fa foi Samoa yo pa yo mo manu amata mai mau iti se yo atu mau tele mano lava so fua
yeah malo so fua manu ia malo ele talova and welcome to our show now this morning.
Yes, malo lele, thank you for having us this morning to promote the open day for USB.
Yeah, malo fatai, thank you so much. Yeah, so mana tole la fo mo le no ya ni seta sauno ai le ngan sa mo tulanga pe ona yai ia le por kalame le ua fa la lo nei le tao ia ele ngata o nei u polu fa pe fo mo tele sala fai ni seta fa mo
sai la mo la no ia o tatona le posili lo ile Silvia le atunu o le open day ia po le asfo ile te sala fai fai so le university tangata o malava e mai se ia tamaitia o ia o le atu wa o nga nga ia tu mata masu e foi ni ava no la to te fa wa ya la to studies mo la to mo careers por ni o la to filia la to te ngaluenga mo o mata open day la le fa fu e fa ile asos fu lima augusto ile mato loto a I ala fua ai la solos fu tol fo ile fu e fa ile open day I mato center I savai e tu sala ia pia lava pe am se me de los fulono ia kolisi o uma na val aulia uma ila to ia to telefone kolisi le o uma na fa ilo mai o le a wai
mana ia
io manga so le mu at fo ia mato no me le lata to lava le afe ia o le last year por ta sangwa te el mato open day na silia le afe ia tamata onga
na ia
fa ia onga ina ia foi matua ia o le fo ina fa mato te fa tali mato sa uni I le fo inu mela pe lunga to fo le neta sang ia e tu sala o le taua e tele activities ia fa fo mo le aso
ia
e tu sala vale pe ta sanga uma o le activity e pito silio na taua o le taimile wanga ia tu ta mai ti asi tu ese ole I vainga ese wa o le afa o le campus
yeah
awai ia malsila fia foi e ono ia schools o le University Pacifica le e au mai ia courses ma pokalame e over le fase lau le au ina e along fana o Pacifica e le ai lava se pokalame o na pokalame e le o marketing ai mato I le mato open day e wi lava e ai se pokalame e le o ma courses e le o o tuina I nei ai ma fai lava o na tuina tamaiti I le openga ta fai langi so la ia la se mea po se vai panoa le university e le o fa ali na tu tamaiti ma o la tomato ma fai o nga foi I le aso watu fai na mo mato open day
mana ia luas as fulimo o kuso o polu a lusu tolu o kuso mo tele sala fai
lava
okay for the sake of our English speakers this morning now can you talk to us about these two open days for the Samoa campus not only here in Upolu and also Savai?
Thank you, Soeli. So for the one here in Upolu, the 15th of August, we will start the seating on 8:30, kicking off the program at 9 o'clock in the morning. The formalities will finish around 9:30. The main highlight of the open day is the tour. This is to allow our students, our potential students, parents, and the teachers to have a look at what USB offers. Just like what Niseta said, USB offers, there's currently 6 schools in USB. And also not forgetting the foundations and other services that we offer. So that would be likely 2.5 hours for the tours. And then the students will come back to Tamalai, where we will host them with cultural events.
All right.
There will be, because USB is made up of 12 nations, there will be cultural items from
Different.
There are five, yes.
Okay.
There are five student associations that we have in USB, and there will be 5 items
All right.
from these student associations. That's the one here for Upolu. We will do the same for Savai'i. However, for Savai'i it would be much smaller. Because of that, we will also have cultural events and small tour, because we have a smaller campus in Savai'i.
Yeah.
On the 23rd of August, all of our listeners from Savai'i, please do come. Check us out at our Salelolonga USB Center. We start at 9 o'clock in the morning, and hopefully by 12 or 1 we finish the program for Savai'i. So for Upolu, we will be offering also transportation, free transportation on that day. For buses will start at 7 in the morning until 2 p.m. So to catch the bus, the free rides will be, bus rides will be from here at the main bus station to USB, and we will have labeled on the bus USB Open Day. There are also financial assistance for our schools that live a bit far off from Apia for their bus fares as well. So we are trying our best for that day to ensure that students come in and learn and see what USB offers and make their choices. These are their career path, career choices, because it's quite important. This choice is quite important because that's the continuation of their future. So on our open day, we open up our door for all public. But our main target, of course, is the secondary school students, the senior classes, teachers and their parents. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Now, malo whaafitai. Ia, ni se toi swainga tāua e tāua na silafia i le tūlanga leo le tātou open day. Se whaamole lava?
On the open day pen Saunoa, the chair open day.
Oh, you're the chair. I know.
Chair of open day 2024. E amata I le tai au, le uma se me awhalua tolu. E pen Saunoa, I tamaitai le chair, e pasi e mawhai o pasi free. E o mai piki a tamaita o ngā mai le bus stand. O na avele le USB, ia e whenua ia whape pasi sa ia ngata le awhare lua. Ia pe whan Saunoa tamaita e chair o le Open Day Committee. E ei foi ia whesoa soani I ana le I
pasese mora o ngai mamau.
O ngai mamau I tua. Ioi. Ia e avatua ia I lato pe a ele o atu lea mai le pastani I tua I lato na tua onga.
Mana ia.
Ia e tā ua lava I mātua le awai mai mau lato wano. E whesosoani I tamaiti I le whainga leo ni whiriwhiringa. I pe o awhea, po whea nga ia ngai ai. A wai le ai mase I tua I ngā professional job opportunity, pose tangata fo ia ele mawhaina whausia le universite. O le tusa o le thimai a mātou lei. Wa fo ia whea I sonoa, and it's been there for quite a while now, is shaping Pacific futures.
All right.
Ia o le taimi tonu a le wa mātātu ai o na whanungan wenga le university le shaping students' futures. E le tatalatu le o na whaitoto e o mai te tangatanga I mamata mwhai ana tau whiriwhiringa. O na wholo ai ale le partner se I tāu ai le job le mana o ai ia awa ia se manuia lumana I mo ia a inga no tu manonga le karesia. E va pe volta to region o le Pasifika. E le se taimi le university se le atu tāua o le taimi nei. Ai mātou te e tāua whare awa i o mātua ina ia nātou tangtanga I po o ane ia e sao ni uni atu le university e afo ia. E whawha wai ia lumana i whanau.
Mm.
Iyo e tā wala o wai ai sta mai te o mai ele o ato toa ma whau lai ai. Wharufi sasi.
Yeah.
Ia, ar tem tā wale wa tauna mai ta mantina. Ia o mai whaise tonu.
Yeah.
A wā o ne atatala atu ia whamtalanga ese. A wā au nanga ni universitelia i tu sai mātou mana porkalame ma courses.
Malo, whawtai. Ni se now talk to us more about the career opportunities for students in the campus. Whamole?
Okay, thank you. So as I mentioned earlier, there are 6 schools.
Yeah.
And on that day, there will be, here in Upolu, there will be 16 booths.
All right.
So within these 16 booths or stalls, the tourists will visit all of them, and from there, our staff here in campus in USB will facilitate whatever questions or do presentations to promote these schools and their programs that we offer. So we also have, because USB Alafoa is originally was for the agriculture.
Yeah.
So we will definitely have the farm animals there. For it's quite one of the highlights of our open day for students to have a look at, and we also thank the government of Samoa because they do have scholarships for agriculture here in Samoa. So it's something for our students, our secondary school students to also think about when they come into USB, what are the scholarships offered, and how they can get a scholarship to study in USB. So that too we promote. So from engineering, from accounting, from science, in all areas of career, we do cover that on open day.
All right.
We also offer small lunches for our students on the open day, and we remind all our secondary students and the staff and public as well to bring their water bottles, because we have a lot of cold water dispensers in USB for drinking. It's quite safe for drinking. So on that day, we will have food for our students and as well as water dispensers for drinking.
All right.
So it's quite important to visit USB because we know that education is quite important to assist us in our reaching our goals in life. So this is a time where students can see what they want to do and what resources USB offer that can assist them, and what scholarships that are offered in USB, so they can apply as well.
So talk about the open day in Savai, the big island of Savai. Is this the first time or the second time for Savai?
I think we always have an open day for
All right,
Savai every year.
right, okay.
So it's 2 open day for here and Savai. And for Savai, it's staff will do presentations for each school.
All right.
And also for foundation level and preliminary. So when we say preliminary and foundation levels, we're talking about year 13? Year 12. And year 13 of high school. So if you cannot make it through high school and want to continue on, you can come to USB. We offer that year 12 and year 13, and then directly you can go straight and do degree. So in Savai, each staff will do presentation on each schools and other services that we offer in Savai. So I remember last year in Niseta, we had students from Savai coming, and they really come prepared, because we have questions and prizes as well for both Upolu and Savai, and they have the answers right at top of their hands. And every time we ask the questions, and we really love the participation from our students.
Okay, thank you. Now, whaftai tele lava. Ni se ta ia se iwanga nā wai se si vaenga te rua toi whaasoa mai awa leo manino, asa se furu lima, le open day mo Upolu, ale asa lusu tolu mo Savai, whaamon mole?
Ia, e ele tale tonu ngā se, e whia wai ma te leo tato mātua, e mana tamatea aonga fwoi.
Yeah.
E whape na o agriculture courses po mea whai
Yeah.
mātua. E se lawa na tātua. E le ai masipo kalame e le o awhahinga atu i nei i Alafua campus, i Samoa campus. Au lai awhahinga i le university ato. O no whainofia mea o mai au pe ngata whai.
Yeah.
O le ioi e sa o le the agriculture courses and programs are there. But e tusa lai ai i le awhahinga i o polkalame ma to mai ai o hao i matati mo le lumana i e seki nei tamaiti. E pe ila mea na e whaamanatua toi tato mātua. I le aise me whapea na o le aonga le swol, ma le tuto inga le talo ma kukama mea le whainga o tale ai. I le aise professional career, i le mawhaina whausia ia.
Well, lewe foi le civil engineer. Oh.
Civil engineer, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering. I ai mo le ma se mea le o toi. A wafu o mātou i le awhainga le toros 10% among the best universities around the world. So it's because of those ona o le mawhai li usapi, ona o whātu i eito ainga pokalameses.
Salo le si vaenga i tau au ngata ai whina ngalo tangata i le usapi o nei whape o le pili. Ai o leu te maa wantu ia olo i ai ia scholarships ale maa lo manisi o awanoa scholarship e mawhai ona tu inatu mō nisi o le atanu.
E tele scholarship opportunities e e scholarship ila vani usapi la to e ta o le persa scheme. E fo isi mato scholarship me fsoswani me e apani. E fo scholarship mai ale maa lo ai e lo sfulu ia slots ia men malo mo tamaiti e o mai agriculture. Ona tanto ngai en malo ia malalangi ato. Toi titi ane nei tu mulalangi le mana amia ni tangata na o le au fai fatoanga lava e mawhai ona whanga i mange foi le manu le atunu ia e tangata o le atu malalangi ona o awhianga lava climate change. So ele ai ase me le mawhai na whaua tato. Au le pili ai e alen taunta. Ona le whai a onga ma le loloto mea e paua lava mea lai a o inga taimi. Ma le si mea e sili atun taua. Wa leva tele courses ma pokalame le university. Wa uman accredit. The accreditation. Ia au vaenga fo ilana o organizations ia accrediting ia courses mo pakalame na university. Organizations tawa lo lang ato na le lava pitola au la to te faia. E tele la mea wi ile la to le ai mo se vai pano le university le au linga. The accreditation body se pela o WASC. Ia accredited law ia so pakalame po e WASC you're on top. E o te loa o le mena wa laina tu ilunga na university wa tu mato le pulia about 10% of the ranking best universities around the world. Ona o le mafuanga na ele whape whaato se whaasau sili isi university ai langa o mea lava o whainga o mea tau university na ai whaine e tu atu whailava noa ele whape te susu atu le te le stana abatu lau pili e freely registration e tu atu whailava ngoe tongi e lau pili o lava i le taimi e whai ai le suenga. E sa vali atu te anu le pote suenga. Wa umana o pili. E le ia la se, ailo e le tawata. E sao, ese tau pili. E more courses. E fua le totongi for example, accounting is one of the higher paid courses. Ia mariloa. E fua lava i le telo tupa tamaitite ma wamepe anga lue la ia
Maloni Seta. Now, can you share with us, the school fees and also because there was a mentality with our people that USPL4 are very expensive school fees, and also the scholarship opportunities that Samoa campus offers. Can you talk to us about that?
Yes. Thank you very much. And yes, I know that's the perception behind a lot of parents. That USP, the fees are high. But when it comes to education, the USP offers quality education.
Yeah.
Like what Niseta said, accredited.
Mm-hmm.
So for us, not only the fees are there, but we also have at the moment this year we have installment payment plan,
Yeah.
where you can pay your child's 50%, and then the other 50% we give it to you without any interest charge. Before final exam, you need to settle that, so your child can sit their final paper.
Yeah.
In terms of enrollment and registration, like what Niseta mentioned as well, there's no extra fees. It's just the school fees, that are tuition fees that we charged per semester, and there are scholarships. So one of the scholarship is the Tertiary Scholarship. It's a USB scholarship, meaning you can pay 50% and USB will pay the other 50%. This is offered for students that they come from low-income earning families.
Mm-hmm.
And with 50% off, you're just looking at a smaller amount to pay, given that you take 4 courses or 2 or 3 courses. But that's a lot of funds that USB takes back. So 50% off. There we also have the scholarships that started this year, offered by the government of Japan. It's for lawyers. So law here in Samoa, I noticed it's a very famous school for Samoans. Law is a lot of our money here in Samoa. It's for potential lawyers in the future. So we do have scholarship for lawyers, but then you need to first start off the first 2 years, and then they can offer the scholarship for the rest of the, like Niseta said, depending on the grades and your performance. So the government of Samoa also offers scholarships. Also, other organizations here in Samoa, they offer scholarship for other programs as well. I remember the BDLB and BDBM, which is a professional diploma in law and also management. So we do have scholarship available. Do not be reluctant to come into USB because of the fees. We are actually paying lower fees compared to our international students who pay 3 times more. And we do have scholarships, and we do have opportunity to push you further for your potential to do better in your career. And these scholarships is not based on any other, like I mentioned, low income earning and also your performance. So we wish all those that are looking to come into USB, don't be feel that you won't come in because of the fees. We do have financial assistance.
Hello, whaatai nau. Ia, se ta whaatai tele mo le awa noa nei tai au, se whangarau e si mea?
E wila na mawhai atu e target, ia tamaiti aunga.
Ia.
Atu watu, e ma whai whai po ai na o loo whafonga mai.
Lai whainga
ruenga. O lai whainga ruenga po la wo mga wadi tai e tue fies. Le awa noa la iai. Su mai e sila po le ale mea e te ma whainga na e tue sa whai. It's a public.
Yeah.
It's a public activity. Whaftai lava mo le awa noa.
Whaatai tele lava ni seta ma nau mo le awa noa nei tai au. Nau whaafonga mai mo mai le tino le Talanoaga ma sui o le Samoa campus. Ia pe ona si le fia whaamauane i lau dari po lau kalena. I aso ia o le asa sfulimo au kuso ia le open day upolu ia mo le asa lusu tolo au kuso mo le mototele i sa la fai. Taro se atu niso whaafefianga o le nei tai au.